So at the Dar, Alhamdulillah, we've grown a lot, Alhamdulillah, and each year we've added properties, and each year we've improved the properties by the will of Allah, Alhamdulillah. And this year in particular, we have grown essentially to our capacity, which I'm really grateful for, Alhamdulillah. We have so many activities, and we will have activities that overlap, and sometimes we have 2 or 3 that are going at the same time. And sometimes one activity will be male and one activity will be female. So for example, when the women are doing martial arts, they literally tie the door so that men don't accidentally go into where the women are training. We are in need desperately at this point of more space. Dar Al-Rahma currently owns the 2 buildings that are attached to the 2 buildings that we use. So if you look from the outside, we own all 3 of the white and green buildings, and then the 4th one that is attached. Part of the fundraiser this year is to raise enough to repair and beautify and make usable those buildings, but to also continue down the path we're with the architect and the general contractor so that we can keep moving forward in both directions simultaneously, because alhamdulillah, we're simply out of space.